People them, the people them when me see, I saw them in a politics and them love politics and them don't know politics. Cause first thing, if PNP in a power and start a project and lose the election, the project still have to be done. I know that I mean say a JLP create the project. And this is why I give PGA props over every single Prime Minister, even over Michael Manley. Because him create opportunities and him create things that can benefit everybody. You understand what I say? All me see that brother here do a pine finger. Pine finger. I tell him already, sir. Because I know him see the live there. I know him work at them see the live there. See? Next of them see the live there. See? So, me I say, brother, if somebody advise you these things, first thing, when you're going to make that speech, you know, and go up on public national TV, you're going to make that speech, you don't think, you don't think, brother, you don't think, you don't say, oh, but this a beat the music again, make me no bother say this. Junior be, mad thing, brother. Zine? Alright, somebody said, because we're going to get into this now, who said this and who said that. By the PNP, the act passed and it was never enforced by the PNP. A labor right done passa. A labor right done Dirty Friday. A labor right done Nipples Tuesday. A labor right done Bembe. Passa is a labor right party. A labor right done it. Dirty Friday is a labor right party on a Fletcher's land. A them done it. A them lockdown Skengdan party we used to keep. You understand what I'm saying? But the fact of the matter now is not whether we are PNP or we are labor right. You understand? It's the fact of the matter say. You know, so the man yo, all you know we are type that in a fool, no bomber ass clad. On a blind say, the man have everybody in a prison. You know, it's a virtual prison the man have, you know. On a blind. Only not realize that. Bro, this rule where Andrew enforces beyond the Noise Abatement Act. Remember, say Andrew them come tell us at 12 o'clock in the youth. You forgot, he come. You know, I not even want to get another illiterate kind of reason there. Because when me a reason about a serious something. A serious something I reason about now. Brother, Andrew need for open up the country. Stabilize back the economy. Make the people them can go to work. And the country can make money. Every artist we cut from Jamaica now have visa and they are foreign. Every selector, you know how much income that we lose in the country? Not being able to keep any events or any party, you know how much money that, you know how much hotel a ball right now, you know how much rent-a-car company a ball, you know how much that, think. Bruh. Like seriously, bruh. Tumblr, what the PM is doing is not what the entire world is doing. You're lying. You know, see me a party every night and I keep partying now. And I make money and the economy a boom right now. You know how much money Miami make for the last weekend? You know how much money Florida make? You know how much money Texas make for the last weekend? What do you mean by what the Prime Minister the way everybody do? You're so illiterate and dunce and dumb and fool na bomb buckler. What you talk about what Prime Minister the way everybody do? Fuck real chat, bitch. When everybody hungry, what you think I got? What you think I got? See, a man say UK just wide open right now. Remember UK them locked on the place and the people them come out and protest. 1 million people in the road. Them have to free up that. Them have to open up that. Them no bother business about no COVID again. The people them get crazy. 1 million people in the street. You understand what I'm saying? Somebody tell us that them live a virgin and them not no curfew. Florida, me live with not a curfew. Atlanta, Texas, no curfew. Welcome to some little place like Indonesia and them places when I have no curfew. You have some country where has never been in lockdown since this pandemic. Never. Not even one protocol them not have nothing at all. A hungry Christian place them are locked down. All of the countries that are controlled by Christianity are them places that them have lockdown pan. Do the maths. Do the maths. Do the maths. You hear in a Muslim country about lockdown? What them about bombing? Down in Israel and them place they have bomber drop. Palestine and Pakistan and them place there. I'm busy about COVID. COVID not that serious. Only Christian rule countries them a fight with this thing. It's a spiritual war go on. A pussy the Christian them take over. Just pray. Some of them even appear Robbie, what go on? Mr. Stale. Some of them even pay attention. The poorest country them, the impoverished countries them, all of the countries them were propelled by Christianity. All of them. Why is China so powerful now? Why is China so rich? China don't use Christianity. China don't want to hear about Jesus. China don't use the white man religion. Simple mathematics. Or you think Dubai has some place so rich? Them not use Christianity. Them not use that. Them not work with them banking system. They don't. They tell them about Jesus, them shoot you. You bring Christianity to them and them at China, them fuck you up. You understand? All the countries, Zine, all the countries where work with Christianity and Jesus have a problem with COVID. Have COVID problem. Every one of them. Every one of them. Every Christian propelled country